Sometimes society produces a misfit, a creature so shameless, terrible, awe-inspiring, but not in any good way. A misfit, born to tear society down. I'm DJ Than from Fairbanks, Alaska. This is Axes, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools, the home of the hits and the happenings, your destination radio, signature radio, the sound salvation that's sweeping across the nation type of YouTube place to be. Well, here is the place to be, here's the place to do, here's the place to see. Do the do, be the be, see the see, and do it here. Axes, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools is the choice of a new generation. That's right, people are rushing to YouTube to flip on, turn on, tune in, and drop by again and again and again. Once you get a taste, you gotta come back. You gotta come back for more. It is more addictive than crack melon. I'm DJ Theft from Fairbanks, Alaska. Axis, Picks, Claw, Hammers, Footstools is, of course, a non-profit attempt to bring rock and roll to the hinterland, to all our boys abroad and all our ships at sea. Wherever the signal goes, that's where we'll be. Because you can't stop the signal, you can't stop rock and roll, and God damn it, you shouldn't even try. No! You shouldn't even try. But, you know, sometimes there is a misfit born. Sometimes there is a creature so terrifying, so lowly, so pathetic, mewling, and squirm-inducing. You absolutely just have to handle them with kid gloves and perhaps not use headphones for fear of befouling your head portals. You wouldn't want to befoul your head portals. No. Anyway, the man is the infamous, notorious, dreaded G.G. Allin. And I've got 4 cuts from his 1986 punk opus, Dirty Love Songs. First off, we start off with I Want to Fuck Myself. And then we are segueing gently into Needle Up My Cock. Followed carefully by Fucking the Dog. And finishing off with the quaint, entertaining, and pacifying Kill the Children, Save the Food. Oh yes, G.G. Allin. G.G. Oh G.G. May ye rest in eternal chaos. G.G. Allin. Dead and loving it. All right, let's start this filthy subway train rolling down that track with I Want to Fuck Myself. Here's G.G. Allin. a bad man. This is more G.G. Allin. Oh, I know, you're saying, please, please, please more G.G. Allin. Yes, I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give you G.G. Allin. I'm going to give you G.G. Allin in various orifices. Okay, needle up my cock. G.G. Allin. Thing about G.G. He's always woke. G.G. Come on now. Needle up my cock. G.G. Allin. And I believe that was G.G. Allin and the Scumfucks. Next we got, for just a little change of pace, you know, lighten things up a little bit. You got Fucking the Dog. A little bit more G.G. Allin. Hey, everybody loves G.G. Allin.
Everybody's got something to do. I got nothing but this empty room. Everybody's got some kind of job. Everybody's got someone to love. Not me. I'm fucking the dog. Everybody's got somewhere to go. I got nothing but this dirty hole. Defecating. Yeah, that's right. Fucking a dog. Come out! Fucking a dog! That's right! I'm fucking a dog! You never fight till you feel it like I said! You got no one to love! I'm just fucking a dog! Fucking a dog!
Remember to bring Fido in at night, let the dog in, and and once he's in, make sure that that doggy door flap is closed. You don't want to visit. From G.G. Allin. And we're going to wrap this up with Kill the Children, Save the Food. G.G. Allin.
Kill the children, save the food. You're nothing but a bunch of black chicken food. Save your money, let them die, so we can start talking their fucking high. Kill the children, save the food. There is no future for a chicken food. We should execute kids and use it for African too. Send your money to the scupper for some chicken stew. Kill the children, save the food. There's nothing but a bunch of black chicken food. Save your money, let them die, so we can start talking their fucking high. Kill the children, save the food. There's no future for a chicken food. We should execute men and use it for African too. Send your money to scupper for some chicken stew. We'll have a barbecue. We'll have a lot of black people. We gotta rewind. Kill the children, save the food. There's nothing but a bunch of black chicken food. Kill the children, save the food. There is no future for a chicken food. We should execute them. Send your money to the scum bucks and we'll make you some jigaboo stew.
Filth, misogyny, racism. G.G. Allin and the Scumfucks check all the boxes and more. And go back to the filth and double down on the misogyny and triple down on the racism, because that's G.G. Allin, and G.G. Allin, you know, he lived himself to death. Check out the G.G. Allin story. There's this great documentary. Well, great. There's this documentary that is pretty fascinating in a sort of I can't look away type thing way called Hated in the Nation, the G.G. Allin story, and it is a must watch for rock and roll fans. I'm DJ Than from Fairbanks, Alaska, a rock and roll fan from way back, and this is Axe's Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools. Lord, if I only had this back when I was a kid, I would be a monster, a demon, depraved by now. But I wouldn't care because I'd have rock and roll to keep me warm. I still do, but I care. So that makes it all the difference in the world. Axis Picks, Claw, Hammers, Footstools is your rock and roll friend.